Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Without You. We got about 5 chords. We're going to be using mostly 4 of them. First I'm going to teach you guys the chords and then a strum pattern. So first chord is going to be an A minor. Make sure that's tuned. Alright, so A minor, F, and C, and G. We're also going to use the E7. This is like in the pre-chorus kind of. You guys will hear it, but so A minor, F, C, G, and then the E7. You guys can also use E if you know how to play that. I just think the E7 is much easier to do. Alright, so strum pattern here, we're going to do down, down, up, up, down, down for each chord. So I'm going to start slow, you guys can follow along. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's our slow speed. Alright, so now where the E7 comes in is right before the, I guess the whole chorus. You know, so that's the chorus. Right before that has the E7, which goes. Right into the chorus. Okay. So you got that E7. Right into the chorus. Okay, so that's how that works. Again, the strum pattern, the chords, you guys got all that. So you guys should be able to play along with the song. Now if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. Check out my other videos. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.